APC kì í ṣẹgbẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́pọ̀ ká fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan. PDP bani ṣe ti gbàgbé ìbò ni Sunday kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣọ́ ti gbàgbé ìbò ni Déjì ìgbà tó ń wọlé wa tó ń wó sọ̀họ́ wa ṣọ́ ti gbàgbé ìbò ni sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣọ́ ti gbàgbé ìbò ni ṣe ti gbàgbé ìbò ni ó yá ìgbà tẹ̀ ń wọlé wa tẹ̀ ń wó sọ̀họ́ wa ṣe ti gbàgbé ìbò ni. Bàbá mo ní ká fi lọ́ Ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́ ká fi lọ́ Ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́ ẹni tí a lékù sí tó ń léjò sí wa ká fi lọ́ Ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́ ó yàgò ní dágunró ò ṣe jẹ dágunró ò ṣe jẹ ìjẹ tí ẹ jẹ tèkìtì ẹ ò lè jẹ tọ̀sún dágunró ò ṣe jẹ. Kejì ọ̀rọ̀ ọjọ́ mi ni sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọjọ́ mi ni àbúrò ẹni tó lóhùn lẹ́gbẹ́ ẹni ọ̀rọ̀ ọjọ́ mi ni màá gbọ́. Gbàùn bàtà kó ṣubú àfojúfẹ́ ni tí ò fọkàn fẹ́ ni gbàùn bàtà kó ṣubú màá gbọ́ ọwọ́ wa ló bọ́ sí ọwọ́ wa ló bọ́ sí ìwé tẹ́ ẹ kọ́kọ́ tẹ́ ẹ sùn tẹ́ ẹ wò ọwọ́ wa ló bọ́ sí màá gbọ́ Oyètọ́ láti sọ́ọ̀tì Oyètọ́ láti sọ́ọ̀tì wọ́n ní yóò sanwó oṣù ó fẹ̀yìn kẹ̀kẹ́ Oyètọ́ láti sọ́ọ̀tì Oyètọ́ láti fẹ́ẹ̀lì ó ti fẹ́ẹ̀lì Oyètọ́ láti fẹ́ẹ̀lì wọ́n ní yóò sanwó oṣù ó fẹ̀yìn kẹ̀kẹ́ Oyètọ́ láti fẹ́ẹ̀lì ọwọ́ wa ló bọ́ sí Adébọ́lá ọwọ́ wa ló bọ́ sí ìwé tó kọ́kọ́ tẹ̀sùn tẹ̀wó ọwọ́ wa ló bọ́ sí. Onílé gbàlé Adébọ́lá gbàlé bàbá ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn onílé gbàlé Adébọ́lá
Fatai Adams
ọmọ Adélékè onílé gbàlé Dèmọ́lá gbàlé bàbá ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn onílé gbàlé màgbọ́ ìpàdé dọjọ́ bò ìpàdé dọjọ́ bò báwa la jù wọ́n lọ bẹ́yìn lẹ jù wọ́n lọ ìpàdé dọjọ́ bò màgbọ́ ẹ̀sìn gbàdá lórí èṣù ẹ̀sìn gbàdá lórí èṣù bẹ́yìn lẹ nílùú ni báwa la nílùú ni ẹ̀sìn gbàdá lórí èṣù túmọ̀ gbọ́ ẹ̀ta wa ń pẹ́ wò ẹ̀ta wa ń pẹ́ wò bẹ́ẹ̀ roko ọba bẹ́ẹ̀ roko ọba ẹ̀ta wa ń pẹ́ wò. máa ṣe ọwọ́ yẹn báyìí máa ṣe ọwọ́ yẹn báyìí ìwọ tó máa pọ́ mọ́ PDP ìwọ ṣáà máa ṣe ọwọ́ yẹn báyìí. ó yá mo ní wípé ó yá 1 2 3 4 àwa máa ṣoríire lọ́sùn o.
Ṣọlá Adéwùmí ẹ̀ka àbọ̀sà.
Adébọ́lá sanwó òye. àwa máa ṣoríire lọ́sùn o. ọmọ Adélékè sanwó òye. ó yá láyé Adébọ́lá aṣoríire. Déjì Adébọ́lá sanwó òye. àwa máa ṣoríire lọ́sùn o. ọmọ Adélékè sanwó òye. aṣoríire.
àwa máa ṣoríire lọ́sùn o.
Nurudeen
Adébọ́lá sanwó òye.
ìmọ́lẹ̀.
àwa máa ṣoríire lọ́sùn o.
ọmọ Adélékè
sanwó òye.
ó yá wípé ẹ pariwo ìmọ́lẹ̀ o ìmọ́lẹ̀ o ìmọ́lẹ̀ o Adémọ́lá Adélékè yóò.
ìmọ́lẹ̀ o.
Adébùsọlá Adéwùmí láti
Adémọ́lá Adélékè yó. Adémọ́lá Adélékè yó. Ó yá mo ní bówù wọ́n kan dé fìlà síwájú. Bówù wọ́n kan gbé ojú yọ̀bọ̀ wá o. Adémọ́lá la ó dìbò wá fún. Àrólé gómìnà Adétúnjí. Bàbá onífìlà gogoro. Ó yọ bàbá onífìlà gogoro. Bàbá onífìlà gogoro. Pariwo sókè ó yá lẹ́lẹ́ ni yóò máa fẹ́. Lẹ́lẹ́ ni yóò máa fẹ́. Lẹ́lẹ́ ni yóò máa fẹ́. Kúnlé. Lẹ́lẹ́ ni yóò máa fẹ́. Ó àṣìyá o. Ọmọ Adélékè. Lẹ́lẹ́ ni yóò máa fẹ́. Adémọ́lá ọmọ Adélékè bá gbọ́. Some people make you die, some people make you run. Why? Ọlọ́run. Adémọ́lá ọmọ Adélékè. Some people make you die, some people make you run. Why? Adémọ́lá kò ní bàjẹ́ fún ẹ. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́. Kò dẹ̀ ní bàjẹ́ o. Kò ní bàjẹ́ fún wa. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́. Kò dẹ̀ ní bàjẹ́ o. Ṣe ọwọ́ yẹn báyìí, máa ṣe ọwọ́ yẹn báyìí. Bí Démọ́lá ṣe bọ̀ lójú ọ̀nà máa ṣe ọwọ́ yẹn báyìí. Ó yá mo ní là ó fi gbé ebò wọlé. Adémọ́lá yọ lókèrè. Adémọ́lá yọ lókèrè. Abẹ́rẹ́.
Please, the music should stop now. Please, music stop now.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí ariwo gbogbo kó dákẹ́. We will call on you when we need you. Please allow our president to come in. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wọn dákẹ́. We announce the arrival to you. The arrival of His Excellency, former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, His Excellency Waziri Atiku, the incoming president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Waziri Atiku Abubakar. Please go down. If you don't have business here, please go down.
Just be pointing them.
Please go down.
Hello?
Oh yeah. On the march again. Oh yeah.
President, you want today?
On the march again. Oh
yeah.
On the march again.
On the march again.
On the march again. Looking for the president.
On the march again.
Atiku.
It's our man.
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 On the march again.
On the march again.
On the march again.
Distinguished guests to this rally, so we can afford to have this rally, please.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo àwa tá a jẹ́ ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ PDP, ẹ jẹ́ kí president ó mọ̀ pé a wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. National chairman wa náà ti wà bí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí national chairman mọ̀ pé ẹgbẹ́ PDP wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. Bínú wo ṣe máa dùn. Bàbá ti wọlé tán níjọ́ Sátọ̀dé. Tí a sì máa tó dáná yòó níjọ́ Sunday. Ẹ jẹ́ ká pariwo bàbá lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta. Kábíyèsí òkè PDP. Ẹ rí i pé former Senate President wa ti wọlé dé. Alhaji Bukola Saraki. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ tó mọ Saraki. Ẹ bá wa náwó sókè, ẹ bá wa ṣe power tó
also the arrival of the former Senate President, Senator Bukola Saraki.
Ẹni olóyè.
Welcome, sir.
Àwọn àlejò ńláńlá lẹ ti rí bí lénìí. Five president wọn náà ti wọlé
In the company also.
Governor Delta State, Governor Okowa.
Is the executive governor of Sokoto State. His Excellency.
Governor wa ní Edo State. Àwọn náà ti tẹ̀lé wa wọlé báyìí. Obaseki.
The company of His Excellency.
Obaseki, you are welcome, sir.
Is the chairman of the National Campaign Council.
The
executive governor of Bayelsa State. His Excellency, Senator Diri.
Governor Bayelsa State. Governor Green wọ́n ti débi báyìí. Ẹ bá wá ṣe power tó rinlẹ̀ fún wọn. Nígbà tẹ́ ti
We also welcome in his company the executive governor of Edo State. His Excellency Godwin Obaseki.
Obaseki ti wá bí báyìí.
Sir.
Olóyè Saraki ti wá bí
Please
báyìí.
on stage, let's maintain the standing order on stage.
You don't
We cannot have too many security personnel on stage. Only the principal and their principal security, please. Please. Let's try and avoid stampedes as much as possible. The vice presidential candidate, Senator Dr. Ifeanyichukwu, waving at the people. You're highly welcome, sir.
State. You are welcome, sir.
Please, let's take it easy to avoid stampedes. Please, 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 let's take it easy to avoid stampedes. We are pressing on their excellencies as they try to make their way up to the stage. Please, security agents, please take it easy, please, please, please. Gentlemen of the press, please, you cannot be here. Please,
second stage. Gómìnà wa ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ní ìgbà kan rí Prince Ọlágúnsóyè Oyèlọ́lá òun náà ti dé bí báyìí.
Thank you. We will take now an address by the National Deputy Chairman, South of the PDP.
PDP! 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 Ẹ kú lé o! Ẹ kú lé o! Ṣé dáadáa la bá yín? Ẹ ṣe ọjọ́ sí o! Ọlọ́run á tọ́ sí yín. Your Excellency, the incoming President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the incoming Vice President, our governors here present, the National Chairman of our party, Dr. Iyorchia, the Deputy National Chairman, North. I greet all of you. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, etí yín mélòó, ṣé fi ń gbọ́ràn ní anybody that wants nice thing for Nigeria should not vote for APC. AP kì í ṣe ẹgbẹ́ tí èèyàn lè dìbò fún. Boki, the incoming governor of our party, ní agbára Ọlọ́run Adémọ́lá Adélékè. Oni ó wọlé, Adémọ́lá Adélékè, oni ó wọlé. There are so many things that make our people to be so tired. We are tired of APC. Ẹ wo economy, ẹ wo bí tí dọ́là àti náírà wà. Ẹ wo security, you cannot even sleep with your two eyes closed. Unemployment is so high. Ẹ wo petrol stations everywhere. So yẹ ká tún dìbò fún wọn àbí ó yẹ ká dìbò fún wọn? Kò yẹ ká dìbò fún wọn mọ́. Adémọ́lá Adélékè ńlá dìbò fún. You will do something for me, please. This is very important.
get your PVC is very important. Ẹ lọ gba káàdì ìdìbò yín. Káàdì ìdìbò yín lẹ́tọ́ máa dìbò. Ní ọjọ́ Sátidé ẹ fi lé wọn jáde. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run. PDP ni ó wọlé Saturday. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Vote for Ademola Adeleke. And in 2003, we have a president by the name of Atiku Abubakar. We want to go back to Osun Rock. He's the next president of this country. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run ó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ lọ gba káàdì yín, ẹ dìbò fún PDP. Pátì wọlé ẹ dìbò fún o. Ta lẹni tẹ́ ẹ dìbò fún o. Dádì, mọ́mì, PDP ni ẹ dìbò fún. Dádì, mọ́mì, Adémọ́lá ni ẹ dìbò fún. Daddy, Mommy, Ademola, thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you very much. Right away, we will take the remark addressed by the State Caretaker Chairman, Mr. Chairman, sir.
PDP, the National Chairman, Dr. Iyorchia, our Vice Presidential candidate, and by the grace of God, our President 2023, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, our Vice Presidential candidate, Governor Ifeanyichukwu Okowa, other governors present, distinguished senators, party leaders. Osun is PDP, Abi. Osun is PDP, Abi. We are ready on Saturday for our elections. We are well prepared for the elections. We are prepared for the elections. Myself, our candidates, and our day leaders have traveled the length and breadth of Osun State. We have sold our candidates, our manifesto to our people. We have seen the level of the economic degradation. We have seen the uncertainty. On Saturday, Your Excellency, Osun people have a choice. A choice to replace pains with joy. A choice to choose a governor that has the people's plight at heart. A candidate that you know very well. A candidate that will have pedigree. A candidate that will know his family. By Saturday, Osun people have decided to vote for Senator Ademola Adeleke. Vote for prosperity. Vote for PDP. Vote for Atiku Abubakar 2023. PDP. Thank you very much.
Please hold it with your music. Thank you. Right away, I want to welcome to the microphone for an address by the chairman of the PDP Governors Forum, His Excellency Aminu Tambuwal.
PDP! PDP! Now, the national chairman of our great party, Dr. Iyorchia, the presidential candidate, Waziri Adamawa Atiku Abubakar, the president in waiting by the grace of God, vice presidential candidate, Governor Ifeanyichukwu Okowa, the chairman of the campaign council, Governor of Bayelsa State, Governor of Edo State, Deputy Governor of Benue, Deputy Governor of Taraba, great leaders of our party, the candidate Ademola Adeleke, distinguished party men and women of Osun State, PDP, PDP, power. Now, this is the time for all of you lovers of Osun State to come out on Saturday with their PVC and vote for Ademola Adeleke for restoration of good values, good governance in Osun State. Don't vote for Olule. Olule APC. Olule APC ni. APC Olule ni. Olule ni. APC Olule ni. Olule ni. APC Olule ni. Olule. 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 APC ni. It's a fractured party. Let them pack and go, starting from Saturday. God bless you. PDP!
Power.
PDP! Power!
Thank you, thank you. Please, a very quick announcement.
Power.
A very quick DJ, please hold on. We will get to you, DJ, please. Hello, please, can we listen? Let's listen, let's listen. Please, please, I crave your indulgence. Please, kindly listen. Please, please, anytime anyone is speaking, these are our leaders. Those of us in front here with musical instruments should please try and have us listen to them, please. We plead with you. Secondly, we would please advise, check one. We would please advise that those of you in front, please, 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 please. Tell them quickly.
PDP
Power!
power jọ.
Power!
Ìṣẹ́jú tá a nílò pọ̀ afẹ́kẹ́ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ lè gbọ́ nǹkan táwọn leaders wa tí wọ́n bá ń sọ ṣe gbọ́ ìjọ. PDP
Power!
APC òtúgòkè mọ́ aláwọ̀mọ́lẹ̀ là ń lọ ta APC òtúgòkè mọ́ aláwọ̀mọ́lẹ̀ là ń lọ.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You are doing so well. Thank you very much. Please, those of you in front, you are kindly advised to please step back a bit because you are covering you are blocking the shots from the official coverage. Please, we apologize. PDP!
Power!
PDP!
Power!
Please cut the music. We care about you and your safety a lot, so please remain calm. I want to announce please listen. No, please take it easy with them. Please take it easy. Don't push them. Please don't push them, please. Security agents, don't push them. Just kindly step back a bit, please. Kindly step back a bit so you won't be harassed. We want to announce the presence here at this open rally, the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Architect Namadi Sambo. Welcome, sir.
PDP and to PDP
Power!
PDP
Power!
PDP
Power!
power.
Power!
Ẹ káalẹ́ o. Ṣé dáadáa ni? Ìyàwó ńkọ́?
Brodanko. Omalawa. Omalawa. We are here today by the grace of Almighty Allah that our brother and our father, they are both here. The great party chairman of the great party, People's Democratic Party, and my brother, Professor Iyorchia Ayu, Your Excellency, our incoming president, inshallah, Atiku Abubakar, the articulator, the organizer, So, please make sure you are registered. Make sure. Show me your card. Show me your card. Show me your card. Thank you.
One, two, say, Madame Duro. Emi Amo Baba. Hello, say I need one for Madame Duro. Wait. Imole. Can you remember? Wait. Can you remember 4 years ago when we were here? Can you remember? What did they do to us? What did they do to us? What did they do to us? Did we fight? Shawajani? Did we fight? What did we do? We allowed them to take our beat. But this time, we go green. Imole de. I need the band to play. Are you ready? It be like they talk too much. Small talk and then they talk too talk. Hey, say, oh boy, they do too much. Small talk and then they look too much. Let's say, person when they find the pity. I'm not do meeting. Just call me. You want know 30 pity, you go know 30 pity when you. Sir, you when they find the pity. Sir, they don't say we fight to pass. Just call me. You want know 30 pity, 30 pity. Sir, you want like that? Sir, they're gonna tell them to call me. Yeah. Say, why them come there? Para. Why?
Thank you. Please, we want to quickly invite to the microphone the former governor of Osun State. Hello, please take it easy.
PDP ẹtìní David ọba otiki ẹjẹ ká sinmi ẹdọ ẹni tó máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí gómìnà wa lánàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun tí ó ṣe dáadáa ọmọọba Ọlágúnsóyè Òyìnlálá Oyin ni o Oyinládùn
PDP, power to the people,
ní ọ̀la Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Mo kí alága ẹgbẹ́ wa yányán Senator Ayu. Mo kí gbogbo gómìnà tó wà lórí ìkàlẹ̀. Mo kí igbákejì ààrẹ wa lọ́la Governor Okowa. Mo kí gbogbo àgbààgbà ẹgbẹ́. Mi ò yọ àwọn gómìnà tànánà sílẹ̀ o níbi tí èèyàn mi Bukola Saraki náà wà. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi kò ní pọ̀. Mo wá fẹ́ kẹ́ ní sùúrù. Ẹ ní sùúrù.
Right away, I want to invite to the microphone the chairman of the National Campaign Council, the executive governor of Bayelsa State, His Excellency Senator Diri.
Power.
PDP.
Power.
A PDP.
Power.
Power to the people.
Power.
Power to the youth.
Power.
Power to the women.
Power.
The national chairman and other members of the NEC, my leader, our president in the waiting, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the vice president in the waiting, my brother Governor Okowa, my chairman and other colleagues, please, for lack of time, let me stand on your protocols. For me, this is another miracle gathering. From the beginning of Osogbo to the venue of the campaign, it is all organic. And that is why, for me, power belongs only to God. Power belongs to God. All power belongs to God. In heavens and on earth, all powers belong to God. They denied us of using stadium. Now the people came out in their numbers in the markets. They came out to welcome everybody. Now this part of Osogbo is closed down. The fear of PDP. PDP don't come, oh. PDP don't come, oh. PDP don't come, oh. They no go giri, they no go giri, then go giri, yo. Well, I like to join my leaders in telling you that already with what we have seen, the support, the base of PDP in Osun State is organic. Get your PVCs, vote out University ASU strike. Vote out our currency that has become the worst currency in the world. Vote out poverty and illiteracy. Vote out bloodletting and killings. Vote out hardship in our land. This election in Osun State is not only for Osun people. This election is an election for Nigeria. This will mark the beginning of the kicking out of those who have failed this country. They said they came to change. Changing, and changing today. Nigeria, it's
Check. Please, the people with the sound, can you send us another microphone, please? Let's have another microphone quickly, please. Send us another microphone. I want to invite to the microphone now the national chairman of the People's Democratic Party for his own address. Mr. Chairman, sir, Senator Dr. Iyorchia, are you?
PDP
Power!
PDP
Power!
PDP
Power! Power! Power!
The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in waiting, Atiku Abubakar. All other governors present, the governor of Osun State, the governor of Western, the governor of Western, listen to me. Before I came here, I challenged Senator Ademola Adeleke to a dance. That whoever will win will be given the prize. Do we dance today? Do we invite Davido to join us? Where is Davido? Give us a song. Davido, give us a song. Let me tell you, listen to me, there is darkness in Osun State. There is darkness in Osun State. There is darkness in the land. We want light. We want light. We want light. Light. We want light. We want light. Will you vote for Ademola Adeleke on Saturday? Will you come out to make a change in Osun State? Will he become your governor from next year? Thank you and God bless you all. PDP is going to rescue Nigeria. Power! 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 Power to the people.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for a final address.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.